Are you an international student dreaming of studying in Malaysia? Affordable tuition, world-class universities, and a vibrant multicultural environment await you. But before you go, you need to secure your student pass. Let me break down the entire Malaysia student visa process step by step. What is the Malaysia Student Pass? The Student Pass is your official permission to study in Malaysia. Unlike a tourist visa, this is a long-term pass that allows you to live, study, and even work part-time under certain conditions. The entire process is managed by a centralized system called EMGS, which stands for Education Malaysia Global Services. Step 1. Secure an offer from a Malaysian university. Your journey begins by receiving an official offer letter from a recognized Malaysian higher education institution. Popular universities for international students include the Asia Pacific University of Technology and Innovation, or APU, NTI International University, University of Malaya, Taylor's University, Monash University Malaysia, and Sunway University. Without this offer letter, you cannot proceed with the student visa application. Make sure your chosen program aligns with your academic goals and visa eligibility. Step 2. University applies via EMGS. Here is a key difference from other countries. In Malaysia, your university submits your visa application on your behalf through EMGS. Once you accept your admission offer, your university will initiate the EMGS application. This process includes verification of your academic qualifications, confirmation of English proficiency, and submission of your personal documents. This centralized system simplifies the process and reduces paperwork for you. Step 3. Prepare and submit required documents. Accurate documentation is crucial for visa approval. First, a copy of your passport. Make sure it is valid for at least 18 months from the date of your visa application. Second, passport-sized photographs with a white background. Third, your official offer letter from the university. Fourth, your academic transcripts and certificates. Fifth, proof of English proficiency, such as IELTS or TOEFL if required by your program. Sixth, a medical examination report. This can be conducted in your home country or upon arrival in Malaysia. Seventh, the visa processing fee, which is approximately $500 per year and includes insurance. Pro tip: keep both digital and physical copies of all documents to avoid delays during processing. Step 4. EMGS approval process. Once your documents are submitted, EMGS will review and process your application. Processing time usually takes 4 to 6 weeks, depending on the completeness of your documents. You can track your application status online through the EMGS portal. If additional documents are required, EMGS will contact you. Proper preparation at this stage significantly reduces the chance of delays. Step 5. Entry visa and student pass endorsement. After EMGS approves your application, you will receive a visa approval letter, also known as a VAL. With this letter, you now need to apply for an entry visa at the Malaysian Embassy or Consulate in your home country. This is your single entry visa to enter Malaysia. Once you arrive in Malaysia, your passport will be endorsed with the actual student pass. This allows you to study legally, open a bank account, sign rental agreements, and access healthcare services. Duration and renewal. The student pass is typically valid for 12 months. It must be renewed annually until you complete your studies. Renewals require submitting updated enrollment and academic progress documents to EMGS. If you are in a multi-year program like engineering or medicine, make sure to renew on time to avoid interruptions in your studies. Working while studying. Good news for students who want to work part-time. If you hold a valid student pass, you can work up to 20 hours per week, but only during semester breaks or holidays. You are not allowed to work during term time without special permission. Common mistakes to avoid. Even though the process is streamlined, students often encounter delays due to avoidable mistakes. First, submitting an expired or near-expiry passport. Your passport must be valid for at least 18 months from the date of your visa application. Second, missing visa renewal deadlines. Student passes are valid for 12 months. Failing to apply for renewal before expiry can lead to fines or even deportation. Third, failing to complete the required medical checkup. EMGS mandates a medical examination. Delaying or skipping this can halt your visa processing. Fourth, incorrect or incomplete documentation. Missing transcripts or improper passport photos are common causes of rejection. Double-check each requirement against the university and EMGS checklist. Fifth, not following university instructions for EMGS submission. Your university acts as your liaison with EMGS. Always follow their guidelines. Tips for a smooth process. Start early. Begin preparing your documents and visa application 2 to 3 months before your program start date. Follow university guidelines closely. Every university has a dedicated international student office to assist you. Communicate regularly with your advisors. Keep track of deadlines. Use digital calendars to record submission dates, medical appointments, and EMGS tracking updates. Prepare finances in advance. Ensure you have sufficient funds for tuition fees, living expenses, and EMGS processing fees. Complete the medical examination early. Schedule your checkup well in advance to allow time for any follow-up tests. Finally, maintain communication with EMGS and your university. Regularly check the status of your application via the EMGS portal and respond promptly to any requests. Final thoughts. The Malaysia student visa process is structured and transparent. By securing an offer from a recognised university, submitting accurate documents, and following EMGS procedures, you can obtain your student pass smoothly. With your visa in hand, you are ready to embark on an enriching academic and cultural experience in Malaysia. If this video helped you understand the Malaysia student visa process, hit that like button, drop a comment below with any questions, and subscribe to the channel for more study abroad guides. Good luck with your journey to Malaysia.